Hello everyone, good morning. This is your maths class for today. Now let's start exercise 8.2. So first question is there. Express the following fraction as percentage. That means जो fraction given है आपको इन्हें percentage में convert करना है. Okay students, and as you all know that how to convert this fraction as a percentage. Okay students, you all know that. Yes, to convert to the percentage, we will multiply by 100 and use the sign of percentage. Okay, means जो भी आपके पास fraction है, अगर आपको उसे percentage में convert करना है तो आपको उसे 100 से multiply करनी होगी and then ये sign use करना होगा. Got it? So हमने 100 से multiply की and इस sign का use किया. So 4 से इसे cut किया 25 times. Then we have 3 into 25, that means 75%. Got it? Now the next part is 5 upon 8. Yes, we will do same thing. 5 upon 8 multiplied by 100 and use the sign of percentage. Okay, means हमने 100 से multiply की percentage में convert करने के लिए and percentage का sign. Okay students, so 8 and 100. So 4 से cut किया, 4 2 is 8 and 4 25 times, that will be 100. So we have 5 into 25 upon 2. 5, 25, okay, upon 2. Now 5 into 25, that will be 125 upon 2. And we can convert as a mixed fraction also if you want, okay. So that is your answer. Next one is 1 whole 7 upon 8. So firstly we convert to the simple fraction, means fraction. 8 ones are 8, then 7 15 upon 8. Okay, so 15 upon 8 multiplied by 100 and use the sign of percent. Okay, so we will do same thing. 4 2s are 8 and 4 2s are 8 and 4 5s are 20. Then we have 15 into 25 upon 2. So what will we multiply? Yes, then multiply will be 375 upon 2 percentage. So that is your answer. Okay, next thing is here 11 upon 20. So we will do same thing, 11 upon 20 multiplied by 100. So 20, that 0 cancel by this 0 and 2 5s are 10. Then we have 11 into 5, that will be 55%. Okay. And the next question is question number 2. Express the following ratio as a percentage. That means आपको इस रेशो को कन्वर्ट करना है परसेंट में. So कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स? 1:2. So 1:2 we can write as a fraction 1 upon 2. And now convert to the percent, that means multiplied by 100. Okay? Got it? So 2 5s are 10, then 0 will be as it is. So that means 1 into 50, that will be 50%. Okay? And the second part is here 3:4. So firstly we can write as a fraction 3 upon 4 and then multiply by 100 and use the sign of percentage. Okay, so 3 into 25, that will be 75%. That is your answer. And the next one is 5:12. So we will do same thing, 5 upon 12 into 100. So that means 5 into 25. That means ये कट किया हमने 4 से, 4 3s are 12, then 4 2s are 8, then 4 5s are 20. So 5 into 25 upon 3, that means 125 upon 3%. Okay students, 27:50. So 27 upon 50 multiplied by 100 and we will use the sign of percent. That means 50 and 100. So that means 50 2s are 100. That means 27 into 2, that will be 54. Okay students, so that is the 54%. Okay, now the next question is question number 3. Express the following decimal as percent. So आपको करना क्या है स्टूडेंट्स? जो डेसिमल है इसे परसेंट में कन्वर्ट करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, डेसिमल को हमने परसेंट में कन्वर्ट किया, वो कैसे? 0.02. अगर हम इसका डेसिमल रिप्लेस कर देते हैं तो अपॉन में क्या आ जाएगा? 100. वाई? बिकॉज 2 डिजिट्स आर देयर. Okay students, so 20 will be here. So 2 upon 100, that is the fraction, and now we convert into the percentage. So we will multiply by 100. So that means 100 cancel by 100, then we have 2%. Okay. So next one is B part. 1.05, that means we will replace this decimal point and upon 100. So 105 upon 100, that is the fraction, and to convert into the percentage we will multiply by 100 and we will use the sign of percent. That means 100 cancel by 100, then we have 105%. Okay. Now the next one is 0.250. Then 0.250, we will replace this decimal point upon 1000. Why? Because 3 digits are there. So 30 will be here. Okay, so 250 upon 1000 multiplied by 100. Why? Because to convert percent. Okay, so now 20 cancel by 20 and 10 cancel by this. So 25 into 1, that means 25%. Got it? And the next one is 12 into 25. So 12.25, that means 25. Okay, students, we can't say 25. It is 25. So we replace this decimal point upon 100 and now we will multiply by 100. That means 100 cancel by 100. Then we have 1225%. Got it? Okay. Now the next question is question number 4. Express the following percents as fraction. मीन्स जो ये परसेंटेज गिवन है, अब आपको इन्हें फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है. मीन्स जस्ट अपोजिट, जब हमने एक फ्रैक्शन से परसेंट में कन्वर्ट किया था तो हमने 100 से मल्टीप्लाई की थी एंड परसेंट का साइन यूज़ किया था. गॉट इट? बट अगर हम परसेंट को फ्रैक्शन में चेंज कर रहे हैं तो हम 100 से डिवाइड करेंगे. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन? या सो 26 अपॉन 100 एंड ड्रॉप द साइन. इस साइन को हम यहाँ से ड्रॉप कर देंगे. सो 26 अपॉन 100, दैट इज द फ्रैक्शन. एंड नाउ वी विल फाइंड द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म? यस, both of this numerator and denominator can be divisible by 2. So we will divide by 2. So 26 divided by 2, that will be 13 and that will be 50. So 13 upon 50. Got it? So that is your answer. And 3 whole 1 upon 4%. Then 4 3s are 15. 4 3s are 12. Then 1 13 upon 4%. And to replace this sign, that will divide it by 100. Okay, so 13 upon 4 into 100, that will be 13 upon 400. Okay students, that is your answer. And the next one is 35 1 upon 2%. So 35 2s are 70, then 171 upon 2%. So 71 upon 2 into 100, that means परसेंट है, मीन्स परसेंट को रिप्लेस करना है, फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है, सो 100 से डिवाइड करना है. ओके, सो दैट मीन्स दैट विल बी 71 अपॉन 200. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज 105%. सो 105 डिवाइडेड बाय 100 एंड बोथ आर डिविजिबल बाय 5. सो 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, then 0 as it is. 21 upon 20. Okay, that is your answer. And the next one is question number 5. Express the following percentage as a ratio in the simplest form. मीन्स जो ये गिवन है आपको इन्हें रेशो में कन्वर्ट करना है, वो भी उसकी सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में. सो 1.2%. सो फर्स्ट व्हाट टू डू? यस, फर्स्ट वी जस्ट रिप्लेस दिस साइन बाय 100. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, 100 से हमने इसे रिप्लेस किया, बट डेसिमल पॉइंट ओवर हियर, दैट मीन्स वी विल रिप्लेस दिस डेसिमल पॉइंट बाय 0. ओके, मीन्स बाय 10. So now we have 12 upon 1000, that is the fraction. Okay, now we will divide it by 2. Yes, 2 6s are 12, then 2 5s are 10, 0 0 as it is. Now we again divide it by 2. 2 3s are 6, then 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 0. So that means 3 upon 250. That means we can written as 3:250. That is your answer. And the second one is 20%. So 20%. That means we can written as a fraction 20 upon 100. So 0 cancel by 0, then 2 cancel by 10, that will be 5. So that means 1 upon 5, or we can written as 1:5. That is your answer. And the next one is 15 whole 1 upon 2. So firstly we convert into the same fraction. Okay, so 2 into 15, that will be 30, and 31 upon 2%. So to replace this sign, that will divide it by 100. So 31 upon 2 into 100, that will be 31 upon 200. So we can written as 31 ratio 200. Okay, now the next one is 72%. So we will convert as a fraction. How? Yes, 72 upon 100. Okay, now we will divide it by the same factor. So we will divide it by 4. So 4 ones are 4, then 4 eights are 32, and 4 twos are 8, then 4 fives are 20. So we have 18 upon 25, or we can written as 18 ratio 25. Okay students, so that is your answer. And now that's all for today. And if you have any doubts in any question how to convert this, so you can contact or message to me. Thank you.